Debiani and the car, some on Chenya, on Tiasi. Debiani Abukazo, Ḍivæcrēdit, and on Ḍivæcrēdit and on your come away. I'm telling you, whatever I'm saying, I am factual. We make sure that we present factual information to you. And all the time when they come and they see me presenting, then they keep on insulting because they don't have anything to say. The only thing they can say is to insult Ḍivæcrēdit. That's all. Because they've seen and they've met on this issue. So whatever I'm telling people, whatever I'm saying, they know I am enlightening a lot of people. I'm making people understand what's going on in the country. So all things being equal, that is how they have adopted. That is a strategy. Because they can't match how I've been explaining things. I'm passing the information according to how it is, and I'm making sure that I disseminate credible stories to my audience. I won't sit down to fabricate, and I won't sit down to lie. I won't do that. I'll make sure, sir. So whatever I'm presenting to you, you get a clear picture of the subject at stake. It is a moment to one or more don't listen to them. That's why they have intentionally, you see them, when they come and they see me presenting, the only thing they just start is, oh, insult, oh, Ḍivæcrēdit this, Ḍivæcrēdit this, that, because they can't analyze what I'm saying and they can't contribute constructively. That is another point. Your modern words, everything that we say, no one is perfect, right? So supposing I'm saying something and you disagree, what do you have to be doing? You have to show your sign of disagreement by bringing the opposing view. And I understand that. But I don't do anything like that. The only thing you do is you resort to insult just to distract me, just to disorganize the whole situation that I'm doing, but it will not prevent me from telling the truth all the time. I'll continue to say it, and I'll make sure Ghanaians get the clear picture of whatever is happening in the country. Unlike those who are fabricating stories, using propaganda strategies to deceive Ghanaians. I'm not going to do that. What I say, and that is what they're doing. And you see, sir, we those who are bringing the ideas out, they seem to sabotage us. They seem to cripple us. They don't want people to hear what we are saying. And we know the whole situation is a complete sabotage. The story go out. Those who deceive people, the story go out. But we, those who are telling the truth, they intentionally sabotage us. And we know they are doing that. And it's clear, we can see it. And we don't care about it. The fact is, whatever whatever be the case, I'll continue to say the factual information and I'll continue to tell the truth at all times. The fact is, Ghana is moving forward, but people are intentionally sabotaging the progress of the country. They are using so many strategies to discredit and create bad image for the president. That's what they're doing. And as me being able to analyze this myself, I will not sit down and control to this unnecessary things that people say. I always make sure that whatever I know to be the truth, I'll bring it out. And that is exactly what I'm doing. So whether you like it or not, whether you insult or not, it doesn't prevent me. I'll make sure I say it as it is. If it's about sabotage, I don't care about it. I'll make sure I present it as it is. The whole situation is no problem. But he has been a president of a country before. He was in power some time ago. What did he do? Tell us. Ghana. Doom son or the Ghana nana. A corruption, dream dear no de Ghana nana. What you want cano correct? Obia poor mama ne umma, eco school qua, untia school fees. And moon show just say, moon show gratefulness. Of gratefulness na ye be no mama. When school fees one term nebo. One term. Obako senior high school. When one term the Ankabitria. Obako free senior high school. Unya school entirely shekwa. At the same time, Osoria, Odidi 3 times a day. How many people they did it 3 times a day? If you have one man on 3 times a day, how many people need this? Now, Abai Yeshaye, Sebaya Masetina Bekuyi, near Mabekuya. Now, a binum or more corrupt activities or Maza, any Omonia Fatentino, or Mubi Benyano, Nagana, and Imguasia, and Abba or Minum Sa, and Okwan or Moye. I mean, can't you know? ya metenase e ma mo megu Ghana mpanifo anim asem what you say ya metenase e ma mo me cancel me nya nokore enkyere amanfo every day different story and investigate FʍlSMA investigate Kennedy Japan sikata what 120,000 Ghana cedis they come address of mama musa players kura on ball right you makase obi amrahye bedwani Ghana fo hia no MPP hia no MPP philanthropist bi kura betime yis kasa monye na mo fama no Ghana fo aka chom so musika ayira and I will prove the chief of staff who is getting free Ghana accounts. And then among can koresa. Mo propaganda and quadi him. Work out your smart. Also, yes, I'm training with Ghana when you are some casa. A better Professor Moss, yeah, kasi investigations. Ever quiet Professor Moss of us who what is what be one work a bidder? Maybe some. What is what be one work a bidder? And so what? What's we have some training our fight corruption? Some Professor Moss the pushing of Fʍlct. It's so. Some ne ban the busia, ni nuano bieka, it's so. Cause we a genuine journalist. We a journalist, o cano correct. Some bar, Mobacamo be active. And can only the first thing I become once and say, I did Professor Moss we, Kukwadi de was me different. Professor Mosinia war parliament in Assembly different. Professor Mosba Assembly different. Professor Mosinia Baku, Professor Cad, also Assembly different. Enti, Yanshassim, Naka also what may be, what my translation work can be that. And I'm some Moncano Corintino. Mujie Diana Mope. Monquam ye de selfishness, and the greediness and an amope. And a Mompesa Ghana Tumpong. Mubenya na Ghana and just at the papa bia magana and unkwana mope. Mubenya na Ghana, the bia near Kao Nagana, Hotre and Nagana and unkwana mope. A dear bay ye will mind dear mumpe. A dear bemo maya tumpon monka once them. Masheda, sa a dear bia and another bay bia for street in anado. O Mampenina what Tia Cunyaso, just a masheda say, Mube for street in a dear bio bay bia for street in. Mobashada, I ye near me be a cansem be a de go amount for any mass, a de go many mass the actual amount for. And no baby, baby, and now, and MP before I say you, and NDC MP before I say you, and MP before I say you, me one come near my NDC for I. Share, Adia or more yen. So we are gardening, that's a wood teamia, fatu trimi. Adia or more yen, fatu trimi. NDC form percent Ghana 2 period. Almost no. Because I'm about to say so Montia Kunyaso dia they don't want the country to progress. Or Mon Pesama for Assetinakoye because in your money Tia Kunyaso. And a jealousy dear woman Mobota Yen and say a coin beyond frustrating and now to be frustrating. Not my man Gajro. Mobile so Ghana and Nivias mine or Mobonabas. Naka enya rehearsal. Say what your position. Your responsibility is more opposed. Yes, sir. But what mean decide the government the person way. Monya mona mo betre aban de wonye. Mo your position. Understand some of your position. Monti akunya so. Mahama we your mahama kwa binim ni rule when this seems to say. When you founder, when you presidential aspirant, when you minim mahama ni rules say. As one the customer NDC, meaning the NDC in penny phone, baby, or my journey aquatic. Mama Mahama Jim party nafa. And no decided, show her. Somebody kind of cry. I don't for my mirror. So I face the country for freedom fighters, ye didn't see Munu or Ghana. Almost a Ghana, and Maranya Juma. Yem fix a Ghana. Oman echo said Ghana, or fix a Ghana. After Merani Dimo no fix your minor. Must say a witch hunting. And Merani Dimo no fix your minor. Must say a witch hunting. Obi got Roy says, he live in a mopasia or no be cool himself. Not a Merani dinner, Musamunti bida. A brother Muamunim said, I dear then no kind and treasonable offense. Mera a year, Juma. As Musamunti bida. Say Yakwachino na say. Na mona Musamusi was say, Yamamba Juma. Yam fix the country. na ade ekoso na ebe mo mind na tumpon a mo se monti bi da monti ase ade ekoso ebe mo mind Ghana tumpon mo se monti bi da. What are you telling us? Debe na mo ka kire huh? Debe na mo ka kire oh ade a hwe wiase se wote ho a oh wote ho a abere nyina no de wo se hu ne se ade a wo be ye a edi mpuntu be ba e wo abrabom no eno na wo ye. Most Africa country for any sign in Crofo money na mabontin wo mo ye didi. Wo mo no say wo my Ghana din amanone munim pa everybody knows it. Say almost say wo my din ade bia ye papa bia wo man bia no omo de say ye bone. And now mako school ka no mako twa school dan a omo say nkrati bia ase. No mako twa no mo de aba. Meanwhile enya nkrati bia ase no Oma nyama nanado nebe kreti yo. Pensu na nkurani ase. They didn't say anything about it. Muhammad didn't even do anything about it. He wasn't even thinking about them. He was thinking about chilling, enjoying with Ghana's money. I don't know more than him. Omo nyene nkura no some houses abeko yi. Nanado obaye a wototo nema se be ya Ghana betumpon. Mosibwe monti ase. Se enwanwa se Obi ono be say name no ono na mu praise no obi obe say Ghana obema ahokyere ba Ghana obe say Ghana nkan ko no ono na mu praise no but the ototo name say be your mind be tumpon say be your mind be fa ne ntuma pa afira no e de mo ntibi da de wo hyehyɛ name pa say be ya Ghana be ko nanim no mo ntibi da enso de ono be say name de mo di nachi oh hwɛ